Hi everyone, good morning. Back to yet another challenge for 101 poems by author of Manipur. Right now I am in Maryland cycling, and I took a break. Today it's poem number 4. The name of the poem is God is Fleeing. This has been translated and originally written by the writer Jodha Chandra Sanasam. Original poem is from the meiteilol poem Taibang shemba mapu chenkhidoure. It has been translated in English, and I'm going to be sharing the English poem today. God is Fleeing. Taibang shemba mapu chenkhidoure. Written and translated by Jodha Chandra Sanasam. No more of fresh air on the Imphal streets, when only the despicable dust and smog hang over, in a way to play hide and seek. Ever. I took my car for an afternoon brisk walk of 5 kilometers to burn the debris of sugar in my blood. I parked my car at the side of the winding road around the Langol foothills. My walk completed the U-turn part on the fringe of a jutting podium of the hill, and that was when I saw God trudging along the trail, eyes downcast, seemingly brooding over a solemn decision. I rushed to him and fell on his knees. God, what a blessing you have bestowed on me today. Generations went by, centuries went by, lives, so many, longed to see you. You appeared physically before. Now, why me, a man with sins galore? My Lord, I beseech you, as you are now in front of me, wash away the sugar in my blood. This suffering is tormenting me ever. God answered, there's nothing to be gleeful. That you saw me personally. Do not ask me for any blessing either. For I have forsaken the ownership of the human world. I have handed over all that there is to it, to man on his own, including the fire, wind and water, sky, space and planets. I am on my way to another Milky Way. That's all I can tell you now. His words stunned me into confusion, and when I came to senses again, he was already receding away to disappear beyond the blind corner. This is the poem God is Fleeing, Taibang shemba mapu chenkhidoure. Taibang shemba mapu chenkhidoure. So that's poem number 4. I hope you have enjoyed it. Keep tuning in. Let me know about the poems you have loved, written by authors of Manipur, and let's learn more and more about the beautiful work. Let's learn more about the authors of Manipur. Thank you for tuning in, and let me show you a little bit of where I am now. It's a beautiful little pond which I stopped by. You can see. Thank you. Bye-bye.